Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode. Let me show you a full path of how to get there. We have to open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll until we will find the display option. So let's tap on the display, and here we have to enter the nightlight. So the nightlight is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's enter the nightlight, and let's start with always on. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Unfortunately, in this device we do not have any kind of switcher which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. Unfortunately, I'm not really sure why. All we can do in order to customize the nightlight here is to schedule it. So let's simply tap on this switcher at the top, and here we can freely choose the start time just by swiping, and the end time, so your device will basically turn on and off the nightlight accordingly to the schedule you've just set. So this is unfortunately the whole customization of this nightlight, and of course we can have much faster access to it. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons. And now simply try to find the nightlight, and it is right here. I've missed it. So all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on, to apply it. You can clearly see the changes, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.